Welcome to the hidden world of nature. Today, we are exposing 15 masters of disguise. They blend perfectly into their surroundings to survive and secure their catch. Can you spot them before they strike? Deep in the Madagascar rainforest, the leaf-tailed gecko is a living phantom. Its body is perfectly shaped and colored to resemble a decaying leaf, complete with realistic bite marks and complex vein patterns. Resting flat against mossy tree trunks, it completely vanishes from the sight of passing birds. Found in Southeast Asian rainforests, the orchid mantis uses deceptive beauty to secure its meals. It features brilliant pink and white segments that perfectly mimic a blooming orchid flower. Unsuspecting, pollinating insects fly straight into its waiting grasp, making it a brilliant and highly effective floral trap. Navigating the shallow tropical waters, the mimic octopus takes disguise to an entirely new level. Instead of just blending in with rocks, it intelligently changes its shape, color, and swimming behavior to impersonate dangerous marine creatures like lionfish or sea snakes to intimidate potential threats. The stick insect is the ultimate botanical illusion. Their elongated bodies and thin legs perfectly replicate the appearance of dry twigs swaying in the gentle breeze. They can remain entirely motionless for hours, effectively disappearing into the dense forest canopy to avoid sharp-eyed hunters. Lurking quietly on the ocean floor, the stonefish is practically invisible and highly dangerous. Covered in rough algae-like textures, it perfectly resembles a weathered piece of coral or a sunken rock. It patiently waits for an oblivious target to swim near before launching a lightning-fast strike. Ruling the freezing white tundra, the snowy owl relies on its pure white plumage for ultimate stealth. This bright white coloring allows them to blend seamlessly into the snowy, high-altitude landscapes. They silently scan the frozen ground, using their invisibility to easily capture running rodents. The chameleon is globally famous for its remarkable color-changing abilities. Using specialized skin cells, they adjust their vibrant hues to match the surrounding branches and leaves, or to communicate their mood. Their independent eyes constantly scan the environment, while they remain perfectly hidden in the foliage. Resting in the Australian woodlands, the tawny frogmouth is a master of blending into bark. When threatened, they stretch their necks upward and close their eyes perfectly, imitating a broken dead tree branch. This incredible rigid posture completely fools daytime hunters flying overhead. Drifting through the coastal kelp forests, the leafy sea dragon is a magnificent underwater illusion. Their entire bodies are covered in elaborate, leaf-like appendages that perfectly mimic floating seaweed. They gently sway, with the ocean currents becoming completely indistinguishable from the surrounding plants. The snow leopard is the legendary ghost of the high mountains. Their thick, smoky gray fur is covered in dark rosettes, providing flawless camouflage against the rocky, snow-covered slopes. They silently navigate the steep terrain, remaining completely unseen until the very moment they decide to pounce. The flounder is a flatfish with a remarkable talent for vanishing on the sandy ocean floor. They settle on the bottom and rapidly alter their skin patterns to perfectly match the sand and gravel beneath them. Only their two raised eyes remain visible to monitor the water above for passing targets. When flying, the dead leaf butterfly shows brilliant colors, but when it lands, the magic happens. By closing its wings, it perfectly resembles a dry brown autumn leaf, complete with dark veins and a stem. This instant transformation hides them perfectly on the forest floor. Measuring less than an inch long, the pygmy seahorse is incredibly difficult to find. They live exclusively on specific sea fans and are covered in bumpy pink or yellow nodules that perfectly match the coral's texture and color. They spend their entire lives perfectly hidden on one single plant. The gaboon viper relies on the heavy leaf litter of the African rainforest for its dangerous cover. Their geometric brown, tan, and purple patterns break up their outline completely among the fallen leaves. They are patient ambush hunters, lying completely still until a target carelessly walks directly over them. The cuttlefish is the undisputed quick-change artist of the ocean. Using millions of specialized color-changing cells, they can instantly project moving patterns, shift colors, and even alter their skin texture to match rocks, sand, or coral. Their dynamic camouflage is practically flawless in any marine environment. From the snowy mountains to the deep ocean floor, these masters of disguise prove that invisibility is a powerful, natural weapon. Which of these hidden animals amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Animal World for more incredible nature discoveries. See you next time.